Well, video number 2. Now, the thing is, been on to Newcastle United's website today, had to wait the 10 minutes while the queue got down. The gutting thing was, I wanted 2 tickets beside each other, because I was going to bring the nephew up. And to have a ticket, like, right at the top, never been that high in St James's Park, and to find there's only 1 ticket available and the next one's like 3 rows down. I mean, come on. If you're saying on the website tickets are available in a section, that should mean tickets, you know. Crazy. Anyway, it's just a little tiny gripe, because since the takeover, tickets have been hard to find. But I've tried the Leicester game. Before that, I tried the Wolves game. I tried the Crystal Palace game. Nothing. You can only get tickets in certain areas, and they're single tickets. So it may be I'll have to wait till next season. Hoping. But you never know. I mean, there might be somebody who has 2 tickets together who, they can't go for whatever reason. So I shall just wait and see what happens. Anyway, enjoy your beautiful day, whatever you're doing. I'm out shopping with Mum.